Imagine struggling to stand up from your couch or fearing a fall every time you climb stairs. The issue isn't just about aging, it's your legs crying for help. Studies show leg strength drops 30% by age 70, but these six foods could significantly reverse it. Your legs are weakening, even if you don't feel it yet. This phenomenon happens because muscle atrophy hits your legs first, not your arms or core. This condition leads to falls, broken bones, and lost independence. 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, and many never walk the same again. You might notice taking longer to get up, feeling shaky on stairs, or needing to rest after short walks. These aren't typical aging signs, they're red flags. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 6 specific foods that can halt and reverse this leg weakness. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're items most people skip or eat wrongly. While others your age lose mobility, you'll gain an edge with these targeted nutrients that rebuild muscle fibers and stop inflammation. These foods combine to fortify your legs from within. The people who watch this video and act now will notice changes within weeks, while those who skip it continue to weaken. Your legs provide support for your body, your freedom, your activities, and your confidence. Let's start with the first food that most people get entirely wrong. 1. Eggs. Eggs contain a complete protein profile, with all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. They also provide choline, which helps communication between your nerves and muscles. The B vitamins in eggs boost energy and reduce fatigue during physical activity. One egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, including the amino acid leucine, which is particularly important for muscle maintenance. What distinguishes eggs is their bioavailability. Your body can use nearly all of the protein they contain. This makes them superior to other protein sources for muscle mass maintenance. Eggs also contain selenium and zinc, minerals that support testosterone production, which helps maintain muscle mass in both men and women as they age. The yolk contains vitamin D, which works alongside the protein to support muscle strength. A study found that older adults who ate 1 to 2 eggs daily maintained better leg strength than those who didn't. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming eggs after exercise improved muscle protein synthesis. Eggs are among the most adaptable foods on our list, as they can be boiled, scrambled, or incorporated into omelettes. A sweet potato and vegetable omelette topped with avocado is a complete meal that supports muscle growth. There is no need for concern about cholesterol levels. Recent research has demonstrated that the cholesterol present in eggs may have a minimal impact on the blood cholesterol levels of the majority of individuals. The benefits of muscle health far outweigh the concerns of the average individual. 2. Oats. Building on that idea, our next key food is oats. This breakfast staple contains low glycemic carbs that provide steady energy without crashes. Oats also contain plant protein and iron, which help transport oxygen to your muscles. The magnesium in oats prevents muscle cramps, a common problem as we age. 1 cup of cooked oats provides about 30% of your daily magnesium needs. The impressive fiber content of oats, especially the beta-glucan type, is what sets them apart. In addition to promoting heart health, it helps keep blood sugar levels steady, avoiding energy crashes that can impair muscle strength during exercise. For example, many athletes eat oatmeal before training, specifically for its ability to provide lasting energy. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that eating oats improved endurance performance compared to simple carbs. Try adding oats to your breakfast as porridge, blending them into smoothies, or using them in homemade protein bars. For added benefits, top your oats with berries and a spoonful of nut butter to create a complete muscle-supporting meal. 3. Avocado. Moving on, let's talk about avocados. While most people know avocados contain healthy fats, many don't realize these fats actively reduce inflammation in muscle tissue. Avocados are rich in potassium, which promotes healthy muscle contraction. A single avocado provides about 975 milligrams of potassium, roughly 20% of your daily needs. They also provide vitamin E, which protects your muscles from oxidative damage. The monounsaturated fats in avocados improve blood circulation, which means oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles more efficiently. Better circulation also means faster recovery after activity. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate avocados regularly had higher levels of lutein, a compound that helps fight inflammation. This anti-inflammatory effect is particularly important for leg muscles, which bear the most weight and experience the most stress. You can add avocados to toast, salads, or smoothies. The healthy fats also help you absorb other nutrients better, making all your meals more effective at fighting muscle loss. Try making a simple guacamole with lime juice and cilantro as a dip for vegetables or a topping for protein dishes. 4. Sweet potatoes. Now that we've covered 3 key foods, let's move to sweet potatoes. These orange powerhouses provide slow-release carbs that fuel your muscles throughout the day. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, which repairs muscle tissue and fights inflammation. They're also packed with potassium, a mineral that supports proper muscle function and prevents cramping. A medium sweet potato contains more potassium than a banana, with about 450 milligrams per serving. The fiber in sweet potatoes also improves gut health, which directly affects how well you absorb all nutrients. This creates a positive cycle where better absorption leads to stronger muscles. I had a viewer tell me how adding just 1 sweet potato to her daily lunch helped her notice less fatigue when climbing the stairs to her apartment after just 2 weeks. You can bake them, roast them, or even add them to smoothies for an easy boost. For maximum benefits, keep the skin on when possible. It contains additional nutrients and fiber. Try slicing and roasting them with a little olive oil for a simple side dish that supports leg strength. 5. Berries. Our 5th food is berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These small fruits pack benefits for your leg muscles. Berries contain antioxidants that help fight the oxidative stress that damages muscle cells. Their bright colors come from compounds called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. Research shows these compounds can reduce inflammatory markers by up to 25%. Not only does the vitamin C in berries promote collagen production, but it also supports the connections between your muscles and your skin. This collagen helps maintain the integrity of tendons and ligaments that connect muscles to bones. What makes berries so effective is their high ORAC value, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, a measure of antioxidant power. Blueberries, for instance, have one of the highest ORAC values of any common fruit. Add a handful to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies daily for maximum benefits. You can also try freezing berries for a cooling snack that fights inflammation while satisfying sweet cravings without added sugar. Frozen berries work just as well as fresh ones, so you can keep them on hand year-round. The freezing process locks in nutrients, making them a practical option even when berries aren't in season. 6. Salmon. Our final leg-strengthening food is salmon. This fatty fish contains omega-3s that directly combat the inflammation associated with muscle loss. Salmon provides high-quality protein that builds and maintains muscle mass. It also contains vitamin D and B vitamins that support bone strength and energy production. About 22 grams of protein, or nearly half of what many adults require each day, can be found in a 4-ounce serving of salmon. The omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA found in salmon are particularly important for muscle health. These compounds reduce the inflammatory cytokines that break down muscle tissue as we age. According to recent studies, omega-3 fatty acids can improve how the muscle reacts to protein, which will help the body build strength. Vitamin D in salmon also plays a key role in muscle function. Vitamin D deficiency has been related in studies to muscle weakness and an increased risk of falls, especially in older adults. You can get almost all of your daily vitamin D requirements from a single serving of salmon. I once worked with a client who increased his intake of salmon to twice a week. After a month, he reported less morning stiffness and better recovery after his walks. Try to eat salmon 2 or 3 times a week, either baked, grilled, or mixed into salads. If you don't enjoy salmon, other fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, or trout provide similar benefits. If you do not eat fish, you might want to discuss omega-3 supplements with your doctor. Bonus tip: for maximum benefits, try combining these foods. Pair oats with berries for fiber and antioxidants. Add eggs to sweet potato hash. The nutrient synergy makes these combinations even more effective at fighting leg weakness. A practical approach is to create a weekly meal plan that incorporates all 6 foods. Try salmon with sweet potatoes and avocado for dinner, oatmeal with berries for breakfast, and eggs as a protein-rich snack or lunch. Remember that consistency matters more than perfection. Adding even a few of these foods to your diet regularly will help support leg strength over time. We've covered 6 foods that help strengthen weakening legs. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene and sustained energy. Oats offer steady fuel and magnesium. Avocados reduce inflammation and boost potassium. Berries fight oxidative stress. Salmon provides omega-3s and protein. And eggs deliver complete protein and choline for muscle function. Why does this matter? Adding these foods to your diet gives you practical control over your mobility and independence as you age. By starting now, you set yourself up for stronger legs, fewer falls, and more active years ahead. This simple nutrition tip will help you get the most out of any exercise program you currently have. If you found this video useful, I recommend watching the video that just appeared on your screen for natural solutions to health issues that may arise as you age. Leave a comment telling me which of these foods you already eat, or which one surprised you most. I wish you excellent health, well-being, and happiness.